Needing Joe Acholi, Ati on standby. Amira Neno ka Michael pa Benson twara joining. La war will la war maja nekina. I think it was La War last night. He wanted to join, so I want to see if he can join. Wakure, this is Chaka Leb Acholi and Jacqueline Kang O'Clock. Lungo segment anything or Chaka Kang again. Wakuro Kong, 1 minute and I'll come Mike to join. Okay? Wakuro Kong Manok. You guys can join me. If you have any questions about Chaka Leb Acholi, please join and ask those questions now while we wait for Michael. Kadoho, I don't know if you're joining. I'm waiting on you, okay? Uh, Nining Acholi, Nining Chaka community, Chaka family. Ati akoro Michael Benson. He is my cousin Kadogo. He's in Juba right now. I wonder if he's still sleeping or if he's up. It's about 7:34 in Juba. He wanted to get on tonight, so I'm just waiting on him. Please join. If you have any questions about Chaka Leb Acholi, any questions about Chaka Ikang, any questions about the Acholi community, Acholi culture, while we wait for Kadogo, please join the live. I also shared the link to join. Please click on the StreamYard link so you can join me on this platform. While we wait for my cousin, Apo Amatek. Nining Acholi, Nining Chaka community. I'm waiting for Michael to join us tonight or this morning. If you have any comments, drop it in the chat, please, while we wait for Michael. In the meantime, I'm going to try to play some music. Okay? See what I can find. I'm going to play some Acholi songs. My cousin Michael is from Abal, so I'm going to play this Lucky Pro song on Abal right now. Okay? And I'm going to share my screen. So I'm playing this song by Lucky Pro and King James. It's called Abal. Abal is one of the clans of the Acholi tribe of present-day South Sudan. My mother's from Abal, and so is my cousin Michael, who is supposed to be joining us. So I'm going to play this song as we wait. Okay, please enjoy.
gamia urai. Inenero ngomtua ngome cheko cha. Inenero ngomtua ngome cheko cha. Inenero nyira tua nyira kwireba. Inenero mego tua mego walba. Inenero ngomtua ngome cheko cha. Inenero nyira tua nyira kwireba. Inenero mego tua mego walba. Inenero gantua wobe kwireba. Obo gamwa gamia mara. Gamwa gamia urai. Ubetua watoka. Anyira tua watoka. Mego tua watoka. Wego tua watoka. Kereningo wanadok baju. Kanera wiyo buru waya. Kereningo wanachero baju. Kanero gangwa pobrim. Kereningo wanadok baju yo. Kanera wiyo buru kakwara. Ejigi mabe malo baju. Wangachera nero tua pobrim. Ejigi mabe malo gang. Wangachera nero tua pobrim. Kare pio pogo wanda. Wangachera nero wiyo buru kakwara. Kare ngomo pogo wanda yi. Wangachera nero wiyo buru kakwara. Miro neno baju, wangachero dala neno koloti. Maikina miro neno gang, wangadoga nena yiba. Ikina miro neno baju, wangadoga neno kalotaga. Ikang pit, ikang opiro kaga, ikang pit. Bobo green, ikang kuy, ikang adano mar, ikang kuy. Bobo green, the center of Acholi. Mama be mot anyaga we kare kingo kwanga no kerelari atoro be mot mama we kare pengo kwanga go waingeri ate bi be mot anyaga we kare kingo kwanga no kerelari yo nyana bo anyera bo ine no gekirema kere anyera bo atoro we mama we ine no gekirema kere gitamba. Come on, boy, yeah, one day.
That was a nice song from Lucky Pro on a ball. Okay.
If you're looking for the ultimate hair loss solution, Happy Head is it. Use dutasteride, a blocker that's 3 times stronger than Fin.
It's your boy, Lucky Pro.
This is called Swabo, meaning our home is scholarship. We are far from home. Also by Lucky Pro.
chero twaya nongo tamu ni jayo anya tangwaje nongo tamu ni yero anya tangwaje nongo tamu ni jayo anya tangkarate nongo tamu ni tono anya tangwarte nongo tamu ni yero anya tangwaje nongo tamu ni kejo anya tangwaje nongo tamu ni yero tangwaje
My son is definitely trying to sing. Okay, I'm going to stop here.
They handle my legal stuff, so.
I don't mind him. He's trying to sing. Mm-hmm. Okay, so Kadogo, I'm going to be jumping off now. So after this live, I'm going to be reading. Yeah, you're too loud. Oh my God. Okay, Acholi, you guys have a good night. Kadogo is not able to join. It feels like most people back home have technical difficulties. They're not able to join any of our streaming platforms. Okay, so have a good night. Thank you so much. I will be jumping back on with Leb Acholi to start reading on Ofrika. While I'm reading on Ofrika, I will not be able to take Kadogo to join the session. Okay. And Matek, have a good night. But if you want to stay and stick around to watch me read on the clan called Ofrika of present-day South Sudan, please stick around. I will be joining back on this platform again. Okay. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Take care.